Copper, one of the first metals used by ancient civilizations, dates back to around 9000 BC. The name copper comes from the Latin cuprum, meaning from Cyprus, due to the extensive copper mining on the island. Copper is a highly conductive metal, making it essential for electrical wiring and plumbing. It's also widely used in coins and various alloys like bronze and brass. Copper is a reddish-orange metal, is known for its resistance to corrosion and tarnish, as well as its high conductivity, making it valuable in architecture and industrial applications. With an atomic weight of approximately 63.546, copper's electron configuration is argon 3d to the power of 10 4s to the power of 1. It has a melting point of 1084.62 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 2562 degrees Celsius. Copper's versatility in electrical and mechanical industries makes it invaluable in modern infrastructure. That is your copper in 60 seconds.